Well, looks like we got another old Craftsman LT1000 here, a V-twin variety. You know, I said on the other video that we'd take a look at it today, and well, let's see, is the motor... Uh-oh. Gonna have to get the cover off of that, and well, maybe we should try the starter and see if she'll break loose a little bit. Let me get that hooked up and hold on. Well, let's see if the starter is any good. See if it goes thunk. You know what I mean? Let's just do it. Let's see what we get. It'll be fine. Nada. Hold on. Sometimes you just got to get better ground. All right, let's see. I think the starter's bad. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Well, got the cover off here. Let's try to turn it by hand, and let's see if we can get it to break loose. I mean, who knows? It could have been the starter that was locking everything up. You seen how it was sparking? Here, let's give it a shot. Oh, she broke loose. Very nice, very nice. Let's get that starter changed. Well, it took some doing there, but the starter came off. Got the new starter on. Well, let's see if it'll work. Well, let's see what we get here. Hopefully it spins over. Nice. Let's get some fuel thrown down it and see if we get a start. Yeah, we're going to give it some gas here. Yeah, that's probably enough. Well, let's throw some power to it and see what we get. Think it'll start? Let's try that again. I ended up disabling the kill wire. Well, let's see. Gonna start or not gonna start? Huh. Let's try that again. Oh! I'm gonna go ahead, clean that carburetor out, get the fuel system fixed, but hey, it runs. Very, very nice. Well, it took some doing, got the carburetor all cleaned out. Let's give it a couple shots of gas and see what we get. And here we go. Well, as you seen, it started. Finally running off that carburetor. Now, it's not running the best, but pretty sure we can figure out where the air leak is. Sounds like a vacuum leak. If not, I got to pull the carb off, clean it, and if I can't get it to run any better, off to the old jungle site it is to get another carburetor. They're about, they're reasonably priced. But the good thing is we have a good motor. The next things we got to figure out is what's wrong with the deck, because I got it with a belt, so I'm assuming just put it on and see if it works. But we also get to figure out if the thing will even go into gear and move on its own. And join along with me, and let's see if we can get this thing back out mowing again. Well, let's see if I got the gears. Break off. Yeah, it's fine. Oh, she's moving. Not running happy, but she moved. Carburetor's a little unhappy. Ah, she moves. out forward. Nice. Well, it seems they might have to do a little bit of carburetor adjustment here. Let's see if it'll bog out. Oh yeah. Gotta work it a little bit, but hey, it's moving. Next we gotta get working on the deck. Well, since we're waiting on parts for the Lawn Hawk here, it's time to switch back to the Craftsman here, the V-Twin. Well, check this out. Did a little bit of deck cleanup here. It did come with a belt. Got some new blades on it last night. And we're going to go ahead and get this thrown back under it. And we have to do a little bit of electrical today because I got to replace, on the other side of that's the starter solenoid. Got to get that working right so we can start it normally with the key. And before anybody asks, I do have the engine cover and the carburetor cover and air cleaner assembly. I just got to toss that back on because we're good to go. The carburetor seems to be working nice. And I got to say, the paint on this one held up pretty good. We still have everything clearly marked. All right, let's get to work. Well, we got it all back together, got the deck on, and look at that, got a bagger system on it. Now let's hit the key and see if it'll start right up. Nice. Well, make sure everything works. Well, will it go into gear?